morning, I'm Jillian at Greenland Garden Center. It's February and it's pretty darn chilly outside. But when you walk through our doors, the temperature rises, the color comes up, and it's just a beautiful place to be. So come with me, let's go. I want to show you what we've got happening in store. So I've just grabbed myself a coffee from Branches, and I've noticed they've got some mango raspberry scones that I'm gonna have to go and grab one to nibble on a little bit later. But for now, I've come to the garden and I'm just sitting here enjoying all of my senses waking up. We have beautiful, colorful, tropical plants. The water is running, the sun is really starting to come out, and it's gonna fill the greenhouse with some warmth, and it's gonna rest on my shoulders, so I'm pretty excited about that. What a great place for all ages to come and explore. This is truly a wonderful experience, I think, for children, to teach them about the different leaf shapes, the patterns, colors that are only available through nature and through flowers. It's just a great opportunity to slow down and appreciate all of the beauty that exists, and it's all right here. Here we are in an area we call our main greenhouse, and this space is just filled with so many ideas. We work to create areas in this space that make it easy for you to choose plants and decor for your home. We truly recognize the broad range of tastes that indoor gardeners and outdoor gardeners have. So we have everything available to you from, say, a very botanical Victorian styling to a very modern and contemporary pot and choice. Whether you are new to indoor and outdoor gardening or whether you're well seasoned, we have experts on the floor that are willing to give you advice. We also have the potting shed service available to you, which allows you to pick a plant, pick a pot, and we can show you how to pot it up right then and there, leave the mess with us. Also, we can create some really beautiful gifts for you to take home to your friends. I look forward to seeing you or meeting you here at Greenland Garden Center. Please come in to enjoy all of the plants, the color, the water, the sunshine, the warmth. Rejuvenate your spirit. Let's get this season going and have some fun.